Okay, so guys, today is my off day. Finally have a break from work. So I'm heading. So I just got my camera. I just purchased a camera and I received it yesterday. It's a Fujifilm X-T30. So I was thinking, since it's my off day, I bring out the camera for a mini photo shoot with my bike. And yeah, let's see how the camera can perform. And I actually managed to scout a pretty cool location, so I'm just going there to check it out. It's somewhere at the downtown area, so hopefully I can access that area and see how the photo looks like, how the photo shoot goes. So after I never really have a proper photo shoot on my NMAX before. So yeah, it's sort of like the first proper photo shoot for this bike. So let's see how it goes lah. Later I'm gonna change my camera angle. Hopefully I can blend it well together in post-production. Alright, it's time for a corner. You know, when you wear full gear, you tend to ride a little bit faster. Not sure why is it. Maybe you know that there is some sort of protection, so you tend to ride more aggressively. Hopefully I got enough petrol to reach there. So today the weather is not too bad, it's quite good. Not too hot also lah. So anyway, on Monday I'll be trying KF1 track using the Kayo Mini GP. So I'm pretty excited about it because I never actually tried a Mini GP bike before, and it's been some time since I get onto a sports bike. So hopefully Monday I can try to get the feel back again and just enjoy myself Monday night. So the thing about the NMAX is the top speed is only 120. It's very sad I feel. It's a very comfortable bike, but the max speed is 120, and the fuel consumption is also not so good I feel. Full tank only roughly about 180 click to 200 kilometers on a 6 liter each tank. So compared to the R15, the R15 actually is more fuel friendly. Surprisingly, I don't know why a sports bike the fuel consumption is much less than a scooter. Maybe it's because it's single gear, then you constantly have to be at the high RPM in the VVA mode. This bike will kick in the VVA mode at about 70 kilometers to 75 kilometers. Depends on how much you throttle. So riding this bike forever is practically in VVA mode. So maybe that's why the fuel consumption is much higher. Probably not suitable for long stretch. if city riding with start-stop traffic, I think maybe the fuel consumption might be better. I'm not sure because probably you have to ride at slower speed. Oh yeah. But so far I like this bike because my feet I can rest it here. It's a damn relaxing posture. Chillax and head over to the shoot location. Okay, so guys, just did a photo shoot. Mini photo shoot with my NMAX, and hopefully the photo comes out nice. I haven't actually go and see it, so probably have to edit a little bit more. Okay, so right now we are going back home lah, to check out the photos and the videos. Wow, this one why stop at like that? Okay, probably I'll take the MCE MCE, KPE to go back home. TPE, yeah, take TPE. There the traffic probably is smoother. Anyway, today very clear weather, not bad. So hopefully I have some nice photo to post. I'll probably have to do another pit stop to actually change out the camera, to change the angle again. If not, y'all keep looking at the POV view, probably will be very boring. Okay, let's move off. Oh, finally, the wind. Oh, I've been sweating just now during the photo shoot wearing the jacket. Now I can feel, wow, the wind blowing through everywhere. Whew. Oh shit, is it here? Yeah, probably here. Oh my god, I left like 2 bars. Should I go and pump first? Should I pump my petrol, or I should just go until my house there and pump? Very scared Later halfway no petrol dies the truck, the sand, so dusty. I can feel the dust. Oh no. I can feel the sand blowing into my helmet.